Okay, so Donald Trump, when asked, not asked, when asked, why or if the United States was responsible for bombing the Iranian school, he said that it was the Iranians who bombed, right? Later on, witnesses with phone cameras, they were able to extract and slow down and zoom in on the object, and it was a tomahawk. It was a tomahawk, right? And so it's got the profile of a tomahawk. Everybody confirmed it was a tomahawk. So they went back to the president, asked him, hey, you know, who is responsible for this? And of course before, and they said it was the Iranians, right? Now they're coming out. So we caught them in a lie, and now they're coming out with more news about the Iranians possibly could have maybe thought about aspiring to attack the West Coast, right? So here's what's going on, and I want you to listen to the words and how he's placing those words.
Good afternoon. I can tell you we just learned that the FBI reportedly warned California police about that unconfirmed intelligence report involving a possible drone strike by Iran off the West Coast. That's according to ABC News. It's
and it's funny because now you're hearing our news give credit to those who report it, because people are getting sued out the yin yang. That's a human anatomy, by the way. They're getting sued because they're reporting things, and then they're getting sued because it's wrong. So you're hearing a whole lot of that in this post. I think it was Fox that got sued billions of dollars because of what they were saying about voter. Anyways, as I digress.
Reports like that one, which is exactly why we see some barricades outside, fencing here. We know that by Sunday there will be hundreds of police officers deployed here to the Dolby Theater, along with hundreds of federal Homeland Security and FBI personnel.
Garbage. By the way, I just wanted to make this video to let you guys understand that this is garbage. The government, our government, manufactures so much garbage, so much blatant garbage. Donald Trump stood right in front of the press and just manufactured garbage about how the Iranians bombed their own school on the first day of the war. He manufactured that off the fly. Anyways, that's my take on this garbage.
So now,
enjoy your government.